current PBM structure and the relationships with brokers is very muddy. And unless you have full visibility into how that broker is getting paid, then you can't really have the confidence that what you're getting back is a true report. And if anybody brings you a spreadsheet and says, we're going to save you 20% on your pharmacy, then you need to look them in the eye and ask them how. Because if they're going to still give you AWP and WAC pricing, if they're still going to make you use their formulary with no edits or exclusions, if they're still going to just behave the same way they've always behaved, and they're not going to change, they're not going to have a single ledger model, they're not going to be transparent, they're not going to give you online, immediate, real-time access to your data, then they're not doing anything different. All they're doing is making you the same empty promises and handing you the same recycled spreadsheet. And, you know, look, I don't know, we have 11,000 members. That's 92,000 adjusted claims every year. If you've got 1 million members, you've got 100 times as many claims as we have. How do you know? You know, so I think it's about learning who you can trust, going out to independent agencies that are not tied to your broker, not tied to the PBM, not tied to the health plan that owns the PBM or owns the pharmacy that's attached to the PBM. You know, have a look at it with a different lens, because the math doesn't lie to you. But what you can't predict is what's going to happen when your population ages and you start to see cancer diagnoses and people become diabetic and they get sicker, because your drug mix is going to impact your spend way more than any spreadsheet will reveal in pricing.